Hi, I'm Ed Damask, and we're here to install Burrtec's Ratshut for doors. Like their garage door product, this has a stainless steel spine that rats, mice, and other rodents cannot chew through. Now this comes in a 43-inch roll or 16 feet. And as you can see, 43 inches is easily enough for a typical size door. So what we're going to do is we're going to measure the door, we're going to cut off the extra, and then we'll screw it in and we'll stop mice from entering this garage. Quick installation, 5 screws. We trimmed it. As you can see, it's flush against the garage door. So these people who have been having some problems with mice won't be having any coming through this door anymore.